Hello everyone, welcome back to my Sherry studio. Today I'm going to make a card using only my blue supplies, so my watercolor paints, my watercolor pencils, inks, and the stamp I'm using is a Floral Garden. It's one of my favorite stamps. It's really beautiful, but I'm going to use only a part of it because it's really big, as you can see. So let's stamp it using my waterproof Archival ink black. I think I need to stamp it twice. So I'm preparing the colors I'm going to use, and I will start with the central flower. I think it's a sunflower, but today it's going to be all blue. After watercolor paints, I'm going to use watercolor inks. That is why I have here 3 of Distress inks, Peacock Feather, Salty Ocean, and Mermaid Lagoon. And I really love them. I really love these colors. I'm a big fan of blue and green colors generally, but these Distress inks are really incredible. I also decided to use this Derwent INKTENSE green Aquamarine pencil, watercolor pencil, and I have to tell you, I really love it. They are very well pigmented, and I have only a couple of Derwent INKTENSE pencils, but I think I should buy more of them. I have here some gems, as you can see, and my idea is that I will use some of them, the blue ones, and I will attach them to the card. Some glitter dots, as usual. I will splash some paint on the card, and that is why I'm using my favorite blue paint, FINETEC. Let's add the sign on the bottom of the card, and it's going to be with love. I will also stamp it twice to be sure that this black color will be perfect. Now I'm preparing the background to my card, and that is why I'm using this pearl blue green Bristol paper, and I will trim it to make it perfectly fit to the front of the card. Oh, I think I will glue some sequins as well. And now I can glue at the front of the card to the back. I prepared some white card base, I trim it, and now I will glue the whole card to the base. As you can see, it needs to be trimmed a little bit more, but that's not a problem. Okay, so I think the card is ready. I'm quite pleased, and what do you think? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the idea of the blue flowers, the blue garden. And I hope to see you soon in my next movie. Bye.